Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your forgotten WhatsApp chat password in just a few simple steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android. Try tapping on the search bar at the top and enter the same passcode you use to unlock your phone. For example, if your phone passcode is $4, try typing that in. Sometimes this will reveal your locked chats. If it works, you can then go into Settings or Chat Lock and turn it off. However, if that doesn't work, here's the other option. On iPhone, tap Settings in the bottom right. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right and then select Settings. Now go ahead and tap on Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Chat Lock. Here you'll see the option to unlock and clear locked chats. Keep in mind, if you do this, your secret code will be reset, but all of your locked chat messages will also be deleted and cannot be recovered. And that's it. That's how you reset your forgotten WhatsApp chat password. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.